Hello everyone, I'm Rakesh and welcome back to my channel CodeStreamTech, making learning easy. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to make your Pega learning easy and hit that bell icon for the latest updates. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. The link is available in the below description. If you are looking for a complete Pega developer training where you can learn the things right from the basics till advanced, then you can join my course on my site and you will find its link in the description. So guys, in this video, we are going to create a new application and let's talk about the scenario in short. Let's say there is an insurance company, CST, and they are selling insurance plans. Now assume the company has already set up the portal from where they are selling the insurance and now they want a new portal from where end users can raise the claim request. Also the requirement is like CST employees should be able to review the claim request and they should be able to take respective actions on it. So for all these requirements, we are going to create a new application in Pega. So later on, you will find more videos on it. So in the next video, we will create one enterprise application. After that, in the later videos, we'll create case types, child cases, and respective data types. Also, we will design the flow which will make this application working. So let's get started. So guys, in real time scenario, for your first time login, you will get the administrator account and you will log in with that. And after your first time login, the first thing you will do is to create your own operator before proceeding. You will do all your development from your own personal operator ID. So now in this case, we have already logged in with our SSO account to our community edition. So we need not to create any additional operator. So now we are ready to go and create our new application. So to create a new application, you can go to application menu. So here we have already created a test application and here you will find this option new application. So simply select that. So here in this video, we are going to create one application which will be based on Constellation. So we'll be going with this option build from scratch. We have already explored this option build from a blueprint, and if you haven't watched that video, I'll share the link in the description and on the I button. Please do check that video. So for now, let's click on this button build from scratch. Now, as you can see, we have only one option, that is Constellation UI. So let's click select. So now the time is to provide name to our application. So now our application is claim manager. And before you click create application, make sure you always select this option advanced configurations. So here I'm going to shorten my application ID. So let's say cman, like this. So for different application names, you can provide different application shortcuts. So here I'm providing this short name cman, and let's keep the version as it is 010101. So I'm going with this base language English United States. So now we are going to change the organizational settings, and here let's provide name to the organization and let's say CST, and here you can provide name to your division and unit. So let's consider if your business is present in different divisions, different units, and you want to have different flavors of your application for different divisions and units. So in that case, we can go ahead and provide that particular division and unit name to create a specialized application for that area. So here in this case, we are going to have a standalone application. So we will keep this division name and unit name as it is. We have already explored these options in the first video. So I'll encourage you to watch that video first and come back to this video later. So now once we provide the organizational settings here, The next option is to choose the class layers. So here, as you can see, the class layer is like below. First we have this organization, after that application, and after that work class. Now observe one thing. If I select this checkbox, generate division layer, then this division will get added after the organization, and we will get one more option to select generate unit layer. And if I select this, then you will find this unit class also has been added to this class layer. So this is nothing but enterprise class structure where we have organization layer, division layer, unit layer, and the main application layer. And like I said, if you are going to have your different application flavors for different division and units, in that case it makes sense to select these options. Otherwise we can simply unselect them and go ahead with the default configurations. So now I'm done with my configurations on this screen, and let's click save. So now I'm ready to click on create application button. So let's do that. So here we are. Our application has been configured and is ready to use. So here on the screen, if you want, you can add more operators to the application, but at the moment we will go to the application directly. So let's click on go to app. So here we are. If your application doesn't have any case type and you have logged into your application, then by default it will give you this pop-up to create a new case type. So at the moment I'm going to skip this option, and we're going to have a separate video where we are going to see case management in a great detail. So now we are done with the case creation, and now we are going to visit a few rules which has been created in background once we followed the create new application wizard. So for that, let's go to this menu, and from here let's click on Dev Studio. Let me close this application version at the moment. So now the first rule which we are going to talk about is the application rule. So for that, let's follow this. Go to application menu and select this option definition. So this is the actual application rule, and you will find our application is based directly on the Constellation. Along with this, you will find some rule sets has been created. So just for your information, rule set acts as a container for the rules. Now from here, let's go to this app option, and here you will find the classes which we selected in the class layers. The first one is the organization layer, that is CST. After that we have this application cman, and after that we have this work class. So let's go to CST. So this is our organization, or you can say enterprise layer. Within this you will find different classes along with cman. The first one is data, after that fw, and after that int. So now we will see what are the uses of these different classes. So let's say if you are going to create any data related rule which is related to the organization layer, that will come into cst data. After this you will get this class fw. This denotes framework, and let's say if you are creating any framework within this organization, then that framework application will come here in this class. And finally we have this class int, which is integration related class, and all the integration related rules which are part of the organization layer will follow here in this class. Now let's expand this cman application layer, and here within this you will find data, integration, link, ui pages, and work classes. So we have already seen this work class, and when we create case types within this application, those related classes will get created under this work class. So now let's talk about this data class. So if we have any classes or rules which are related to this application, then those we created in this class. After that we have int. So if there are any integration related rules within this application, then those will get created over here. And after that we have two more classes, link and UI pages, which we'll see later. So now we are going to talk about one more rule which got updated when we created this application, and that's our operator ID. So let's go to this bottom hand side and click on our operator icon and select this operator option. So this will open the operator ID to which we have logged in. So previously only these two access groups were present, PRPC app creators and test authors. Now when I created this application claim manager, this access group got added to my operator. So if you are not aware what is access group, then access group is a rule which provides access to the operator, and operator is nothing but the user ID. Now let's go ahead and open this. So this is the access group which got created when we created this application, and this access group directly points to this claim manager application, which we have already seen. Now below this you will find the available portals to the people who have got access to this claim manager authors access group. So the first portal is PX Express, that is App Studio. And once we log in, we by default log into App Studio. This is because of this configuration. Apart from this, we have few more portals available in this list, that is Web Portal. So Web Portal is the end user portal to which end users will log in and on which they will do the task. The next portal is Developer, which is nothing but the Dev Studio to which we have currently logged in. Apart from this, we have one more portal, that is PX Prediction Studio. And if you go to this Switch Studio menu, you will find Prediction Studio over here. So Prediction Studio is used by data scientists to analyze the data, and that's altogether a separate topic. So along with this, at the bottom you are going to find the available roles, and when we will explore security related rules, we will see these points in a great detail. So in the security sections we are going to talk about access group, we are going to talk about roles, and there are other related rules as well. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you will get the latest notifications once I update the videos. So guys, as you have seen, we have created a new application in a few simple steps, and we have gone through some of the rules which got created in the background. So now in the next video, we are going to create one enterprise application which will be used on the enterprise layer. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and keep yourself updated on the new videos. If you have any queries or suggestions for me, please do let me know in the comment box. If you like my work, please make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe. Have a nice day.